Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to a new video. It's been a while since I've been uploading video, but I'm back. I was kind of busy, but in today's video we're going to restore the headlights of my dad's car. And before we start today's video, I want to say thank you for that 109 subscriber. Don't forget to put your post notification on so you won't miss any of my videos. And don't forget to share it to your family, friends. And let's jump into today's video. So, these are the tools we need to use today to restore the headlights. As you can see, this is the cordless drill. This is Mr. SpongeBob. It goes onto the cordless drill. We need a soft towel or a microfiber towel. We need as you can see, paper tape, and the most important thing we need is the headlight restoration polish. As you can see, before and after, the headlights are yellow. As you can see guys, there are paper tape around the headlights. The first thing you need to do is tape around your headlights so you won't damage your paint. Look at the headlights, they are a little bit of yellow, but it needs to be clean. Welcome back, guys. So let me show you the before and the after of the headlights. So this is the after result after polishing the headlights, and let me show you the before. I haven't polished this one yet, so I could show you the difference. Look at this and look at that. Thank you for watching my video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you do, hit that like button, share this video, don't forget to subscribe and put your post notification on. With post notification, I mean that little bell icon besides the subscribe button. And I want to do a quick shout out to see you in the next video.